Welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to give you the complete information about the NPTEL examination for the course Enhancing Soft Skill and Personality. So NPTEL is itself creating too many confusion on this course, and even the NPTEL people and the course instructor is talking two different languages till 8 p.m. today, and tomorrow is exam for this course on June 4th. So you are in confusion, most of you are in confusion. So let me clear you all your doubts. So I am going to cover you what about the tomorrow exam, means on June 4th exam. So that is going to be held on tomorrow itself from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, is there any notification we are getting or confirmation message from NPTEL? Then yes, we are getting some confirmation message, and also we are getting the set of instruction we have to follow, including we are also getting the link for examination. So I will show you everything one by one, and also you may have question that if someone is not able to attend tomorrow examination, then what will be happen? Most of you are asking the same question since the day I got around 50 question related questions. What about tomorrow examination? If I will not be able to attend, then what will be happen? Then already I have told you, like here you see the instructions. The course instructor has mentioned like this. You see, this is wrong information. Completely wrong information is given by the course instructor. He told that the mail regarding tomorrow exam is authorized one, and if you are interested in giving it tomorrow, please follow the instruction. If you are not prepared for tomorrow, you can give it next time. But this is the wrong, 100% wrong information the course instructor is providing. Since the first video I am telling, the instructor is itself not clear about the course, and there is no coordination between that NPTEL person and this instructor. So I am going to give you the correct information. This is entirely wrong information. As mentioned in the email you got the day before yesterday on June 1st at 8 p.m. night, there was clearly mentioned that if you are applying for online examination and if you are completing step 1 and step 2, after mock test, if you are applying, filling the form, then you must attend the exam at any cost, online exam. And if you are not able to write exam for whatever the reason, you are not supposed to get a refund, or you are not supposed to get any certificate, and you are not supposed to provide the next chance to attend the exam. So be clear about this point, that if you have already applied and if you have got mail from NPTEL about tomorrow examination, if you have got the confirmation mail from NPTEL like this confirmation mail, let you show. So this type of confirmation mail, NPTEL Enhancing Soft Skill and Personality Examination Confirmation and Instruction. If you have got this mail, then you have to attend the exam at any cost, otherwise you are not supposed to get any next chance or any certificate or any other mode of examination. That is the end of your examination, that you will be considered as absent from the examination and there will be no certificate for you. And online protected examination and have got this mail, have to attend the examination. They have no other option left. They have only one option, they have to attend. And for remaining person, they have all option, all those three options available for those person. You might have got the mail. Please you note for the wait for the next notification. Already next notification has been arrived. I will cover those things in the next video, because this is, I am just making this video completely on enhancing soft skill and personality examination. So let me first introduce about the tomorrow examination. So by evening, at first, as I had told in the last video, that you will get some instruction from NPTEL and some confirmation mail till late night. So I got around 3 hours before this mail, student instruction for online protected test. So these all are the different instruction. So please you go and follow up. You have to download MSB, you have to check out those all things you have already done. That's why you have got. And there is some additional information, so please you go through the information. I don't want to read out each and every line and take your time, so please you do yourself. And please you note the point number 11, you must keep a valid photo ID proof attached during registration handy before you start the test and making the test for authorization process. So for this, please you keep your college ID card or Aadhaar card, you have to scan. Actually I too don't know how they are going to consider, but you will get some instruction there and proper guidelines. You just read out and you can do it, but you get ready for this stuff, right? And you have to, what are the environment is required, how the net speed, and those all parameter have the mentioned here very clearly. And this is 3-hour examination, tomorrow it is going to conduct. So after 2 hours you will get 3-minute break for just simple break. So you have to go, if you want to go for the break 5 minutes 3 minutes, then you can go for like bathroom and something, you can go. But for first 2 hours you can't go. If you go, then you will be terminated. And other also some other guidelines is provided, so please you also follow those guidelines and take the examination on the same basis. And you are not allowed to take food and any other things, but you can take the water at the time of examination too, but you must have continuously captured in the camera. So those all are the proper lighting, and what are those window, you are not allowed to wear the headphones, or you can't speak out. So those things you can't use like other device like mobile for searching answer. Once you caught, then for examination you will be terminated, right? But you can use one paper and pen for calculation, and whatever you want you can use. So I am just telling you the brief summary what you can use. And please you also note down these numbers. Once you get any type of problem, if you face any technical issue, then you can call on this number and you can ask for the help. So please note this number. So this is the instruction we got. After that, in second mail, if you are able to, or if your all process of applying remote online examination is completed as per process since yesterday 6 p.m. so you have got this mail. If you have not got this mail, then you have not considered for this examination. As I had told you, this examination tomorrow, June 4th examination is going to conduct as a pilot examination for 5,000 students. But you can see here, I will read out in next mail, that is only around 3,300 students agreed to take the examination and completed the process. So those students will be only considered for the examination, tomorrow examination. So this is the pilot examination for the NPTEL, but for us, the person who are going to write the exam by tomorrow, for them this is the final examination. You can see here, you will not be given another chance to write examination by any other examination mode. Like there is examination mode is 2 type of mode. First is remote online protected examination, that is online examination, and second is in personal in personal examination, that is center based examination. So you will not be allowed for any examination. So please participate in this exam by tomorrow, and if you pass the exam, then you will become eligible to get certificate. If you don't pass, then you will be considered absent, and exam fee will not be refunded. So I am again mentioning that if you have got this mail, then please you don't follow this wrong instruction given by the instructor, that you will get the next chance and you can write. This is completely wrong information provided by the instructor. So please you don't go through that, because he is for particular course, but this information from entire NPTEL body. So this information contains the huge credibility. So please you follow this one. So please you remember this. If you have got this mail, then please you have to attend tomorrow examination, otherwise you will be considered absent and you will also not get refund. So you will waste your money and also time. And the exam is tomorrow, and from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and this is the exam link. You can see I will also provide this exam link in the video description, and it is also not needed. You have already got this mail. If you have applied, then you can go through this, and you can see here the exam will start tomorrow 1 p.m. So right now there is no SS denied is there. So this is, and for instruction there is the link is provided, so you can go through the instruction again. And here it is mentioning that the exam link will be accessible between 1 to 2 p.m. So in first 1 hour you have to resume your examination. If you are late to start examination, if you are unable to start your examination between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., then you will not allowed for taking examination. So this is a strict rule. You have to, if you have got this mail, if you are going to attend the examination tomorrow, then please you ensure that you will log in using your credential between 1 to 2 p.m. and ensure that the government issued photo ID card with you for the authorization. So you carry Aadhaar card or passport or is your school ID card, and you have to catch that, you have to capture that, and how they are going to capture and tell you the instruction, you follow those steps and you do, but you ensure that you have those things. So this is wish you the best. And the final, I am going to tell you this instruction again repeated, whatever I read out on the first mail, and note that the entire test is being recorded and can be revisited on later date. If you come across any suspicion activity on the part of candidate, NPTEL has authority to cancel the exam and not issue certificate to the candidates. So please remember this, you follow the faithful regulation. And there is like you can see, this test is remotely investigated by the protector. If you don't adhere to instructor rules and regulation, the investigator has right to terminate your test. So these all are the information. Please you go through and read it out and follow it. So those all details are provided here. Please you go through and read. I don't want to go line by line. And already I have shown this, and this is the last mail for the person who is not going to write tomorrow examination or have not got any mail from NPTEL regarding this enhancing soft skill and personality examination. If you have not got mail from NPTEL, this type of confirmation mail, or you have not applied for the remote examination, then for you here is information I am going to share. So the NPTEL has scheduled those information as repeated. Already I have shared those all details in 4 to 5 videos. You can go through my channel and check the playlist for NPTEL Enhancing Soft Skill and Personality Assignment, and there you can find here video number 10, 11, 12 and 13th is addressing those all details. You can go through and get more detailed information on it. Right. So NPTEL had first planned for around 5,000 candidates to consider for tomorrow examination, June 4th examination, but 3,847 candidates said yes to take this examination in online mode, and NPTEL scheduled to conduct examination for tomorrow on June 4th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So this is the information already given, and these candidates should have received an email and SMS update sharing final examination link tomorrow. So already if you have eligible and applied successfully, then you have got. So you can see here the examination is conducted on June 4th. These candidates will be the final exam, and they will not be given another chance. Again I repeat, will not be given another chance to attend any mode of examination, any other mode of examination, or cancellation of the examination. And you can read here very clearly, it is mentioning that if you don't write the examination on June 4, who have got the confirmation mail, like this confirmation mail, I am again repeating this type of confirmation mail from NPTEL. If you don't write, then you will be considered for absentees, and the certificate will not be issued, and also NPTEL fees will not be refunded. So you cannot apply cancellation, right? You have to get prepared for tomorrow examination. And what about remaining candidates? So this is for the person who have not applied or not get any confirmation mail. So this is the mail we have sent out mail today giving remaining student for the course FTP any following 3 options. So those people who are not having tomorrow examination or have not got any confirmation mail have all these 3 options. They can either go for remote protected online examination, or in personal protected examination at fixed examination center, or cancellation of the examination and take the refund. So about these 3 options, I have deep details given in this video. This video NPTEL January to April 2020 all examination update in single video. You can check out this video and go through all those details. I will also provide the link of this video in description and comment section. You can go through. If you want to cancel the exam, already I have mentioned here NPTEL how to cancel NPTEL examination 2020. So you can follow this step and you can complete the process, and you can choose your favorable option. Right. So here what are the final things you are going to get? So the exam will be for these remaining students. The exam will be conducted between June 12 to June 21, and the date will be fixed once the NPTEL will get all those number of person or learner who want to take examination through online mode. So the last date to apply for online examination is June 7 10 am. Please note it, June 7 10 am. Already I have provided those all information, those all including all those process in this video. NPTEL January to April 2020 all 9 examination update in single video. Please note it, all those information I have provided. So you have to update. If you also want to change the city, then you can follow that video and change your city as per your choice. Already NPTEL know that most of people have migrated from college to home, hostel to home, so they are also from different area and district and also state. So NPTEL is giving flexibility and trying to address the learner issue and allowing to change the examination center if you want to write examination on in personal protected examination at fixed center option through option 2, right? So, and for option 2 who want to write through the protected in personal protected examination, then the examination will be conducted between 23rd to 25th June. So this is the date for the remaining person who want to appear on the center and want to write the examination. So right, I hope I am very clear with this information. Those all I have updated in this video. I again repeat, please you go there and check it out. And for third option, who select the third option? In third option there is cancellation of exam. So on cancellation of exam you will get 80% fee refund. Like if you have paid 1000, then you will get 800 refund, and 200 will cut off for the admin charge or admin cost for the NPTEL. But NPTEL will also provide you one report card with assignment score. So you will get one report card. So at least NPTEL is addressing that you have completed the assignment. You will not get certificate if you cancel the exam, but you will get the report card. And the person who is writing the exam, they will not get any report card, they will only get e-certificate, right? So examination certificate you can see here, option 1 and option 2. The candidates participate completed the exam successfully, the score pass per examination criteria, they will become eligible for e-certificate. And for the third option, certificate will not be issued in the case as the candidates are not participating in exam, they will only get a state assignment score sheet. So this is the information regarding enhancing soft skill and personality course. So please you do subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and please hit the bell icon, and please you also join the telegram group of Deepcode group for more information regarding NPTEL. I again repeat, if you have not subscribed the video, then please you subscribe the video to get the information, genuine information related NPTEL or any other resources for many online free courses or internship opportunity. So on educational related topics content, then you subscribe the channels. So thanks again for watching this video, and the person who have got confirmation mail from NPTEL regarding tomorrow examination, then please get ready for the examination, and all the best for you all who are going to attend the tomorrow examination. And the person who have not got any confirmation mail and who are in this remaining category, then please you go through your mail and check. You might have got one mail. I will show you it. I will show you. So the remaining person who have not get confirmation mail or have not applied for remote online protected examination, then you have got this mail. You might have got this mail. Please you check out spam box or inbox. You check out or inform. You will have this mail. From NPTEL invites you to take mock to all courses. So this mail you have got. Please you check out and you take the test and you complete the process and you apply for online examination. So once you start, you will go and follow the instruction. So I will once start and show you. For remaining person, this is for remaining person. So you can see here, these are the steps. You have to download the MSB and you have to install. Already installed, then you can proceed. It will pop and show. So those all details I have covered in this video. NPTEL urgent notice about final examination. So in this video I have covered those all process. You can go through and follow the instruction and you can complete the process and you can apply for online protected examination. So thank you very much subscriber, and again I will tell you, request you, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel for such more education related video and NPTEL update. So thanks again you all, have a good time, have a good day, and have a good preparation for the examination, and please don't forget to subscribe.